Aloha and welcome to Kalia's Cool Travels. We're here in Maleny at the bird sanctuary where there's over 700 varieties of birds. We're in the bird area where they saved all the birds. These are all bird saves. And people are just having so much fun with the birds because they're really friendly and they land on you. We had to take off our earrings and shiny things because they're very attracted to all of that. And here's all our birds. These are just the bird saves. They're not the indigenous birds, but everybody's having so much fun.
Look at the
Ciao for now. See you again soon.